Hi there. To include a new user on the system is a really simple task. The same way to exclude someone from the system is very, very simple. Let me show you what you have to do. After you log in into the system, you want to click Settings on the bottom left of your screen. And after clicking on Settings, you want to click My Staff. There's a button here, Add a New Employee. Hit that button, and you have a few different options here, but there are only really two that you need to pay attention to. The first one is User Info. Type here the name of your new staff member. In this case, we are typing Peter Parker. Type their email. It's mandatory to have their email here. And then we have the phone field. Here you need to make a decision. If you want your staff members to receive text messages and phone calls forwarded by MyClients, you can fill out their phone number here. If you want all the phone calls that goes into the system to be forwarded to your main center number, you need to leave this field blank. Okay. The advantage of putting their phones here is you can have easier communications with your clients. Your clients can easily access your staff. The downside of this is that maybe you have a part-time staff, they are not on a shift, they are not working, and some phone calls or text messages will be directed to them. Okay, most of our clients, most of our OsseStrong centers prefer to have everything going through the main center number, so they leave this field here blank. Okay, it's your option. If you want, this can be changed later, so I suggest you start leaving it blank, and then later we can change it. You need to assign a password to them. Okay, so you can create anything that is easy to remember. They will change that later. So in this case, I'm going to create something like strong 2020 exclamation mark. Okay, and password is created. Nothing else to be done here for now. You don't need to select a calendar. You don't need to touch user permissions. Then on user roles, okay, you can define if they are going to be an admin on your account or a user. Admin have more privileges, they can delete records, they can create new things. Users most likely will only have access to see information, read-only access. They will not be able to delete or change important stuff on your system. Most likely, your manager will be an admin on the system, and your staff, your session coaches, will be users. Okay, in this case, Peter Parker will be a user. You hit save, and now the new user is created on the system. We can see here Peter Parker is created on the system. If you want to delete someone from the system, like if you have to fire one of your staff and you don't want them to have access to the system anymore, you can just come here and click delete. Okay, then you need to confirm by writing the word delete here and press confirm. Okay, so after doing this, in a few seconds, Peter Parker will be removed from the system. I hope this helps, and I see you on our next video.